Yes.
The yellow and the white one want to go here.
Okay, what should we do with the white?
We want to mix it this machine.
Yeah, a lot until it's very hard.
Yes.
Yes. It's going good?
Yes.
Full speed?
Yes. Five,
Yes.
I did in five.
Yes. Mika, now you made this here white. How do we test if they are okay? Can you show me?
Yes.
Whoop. Yes, they were okay today. Great.
2 spoons of sugar.
Yeah. Yes, like that in the flour.
In the flour.
Yes. And then we take the salt that's on the spoon.
Oh.
A quarter teaspoon of salt.
A quarter teaspoon of salt.
Yes. And in the flour.
And in the flour.
And then we have this called natron. It's just nearly the same as baking powder.
We
And
have
then
natron.
Yeah.
And it is nearly same as baking powder.
Yeah. And we take half a spoonful. And that's a half a teaspoon. That's fine, Mishika. And up in the flour.
Little
Yes.
bit in this,
This okay.
little
Perfect.
bit in this.